everybody. Good morning.
I don't like snow and cold.
So we are actually dodging a snowstorm right now. Probably one of the first snowstorms that we are getting here in Ontario. It hasn't started yet, so we're hoping for the best.
It's actually raining, believe it or not.
Yeah, it's not that. I mean, you can see the clouds are getting a little bit dark. But anyways, we are taking you guys along with us today behind the scenes for one of our photo shoots for LALA Hijabs, so you guys can see the process, see what it's like, and just get an inside scoop as to what we do for work.
All right, everybody. So we are home now in the yucky snow.
Yeah, the snowstorm has now started, so we're lucky we got home when we did.
Yep. Unfortunately, fortunately, I don't know. Not a big snow fan.
So we hope you guys enjoyed kind of seeing behind the scenes what it's like to have a photo shoot.
Mm-hmm.
And the collection that you saw is going to be launching on our website, lalahijabs.com. And if you are watching this, YouTube Fam always has a discount. So just use the discount code YouTube.
That's it.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.